Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine Vargas and today we're going to do a look using the Colourpop She Used a Rainbow palette. I did get this palette for Christmas and this look is a recreation of a YouTuber that I saw. Her name is Sol Peña and I'm going to try to leave her link down below. But she created this look and I just had to recreate it. She actually convinced me to buy this palette and yeah, just fell in love with it and bought the palette. So I'm going to start off by taking the shade Fine China. It is the darkest blue in the palette. And I'm just going to start by tapping that on the inner corner, going 3/4 or 1/3 of my crease basically. Then the next shade we're going to take is the shade Seeing Stars. I'm going to start by tapping that into the blue and making my way down, but just leaving enough space for the last shade that we're going to use. Then the last shade is the shade Brick Road. That's gonna go in our outer corner, kind of getting blended also into the purple shade. Then I'm just going to go back in with those 3 shades and just kind of re-intensify and build up the color. So I went ahead and switched my brush. I'm using a mini fluffy brush and I'm taking the shade Moonlight and I'm just going to use this shade to help me blend out the Fine China shade. So this is only going to go over the blue shade. Then I'm taking Kitten Fish and this is going to help me blend out the Seeing Stars shade. And then I took Worth It and a little bit of Sandbar as well to help me blend out the Brick Red shade. So going back in with the first 3 shades that we used, so Fine China, Seeing Stars, and Brick Red, I'm just going to go back and re-intensify just because I feel like I lost the color, I guess, the color payoff that I wanted when I used the lighter colors. So I'm just kind of re-intensifying the colors and then blending and then repeating that again until I'm kind of happy with how I want it to be. Then I went ahead and did the other eye off camera to save some time, and I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape to cut the crease. So I'm not gonna lie guys, I kind of low-key struggled to do this look. I feel like it's been like a week since I've done makeup, and I don't know, I kind of just forgot how to do it and it just wasn't working. But yeah, this cut crease ended up being a little bit higher than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. I try to make it work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these 3 shades, and that's gonna be put on our cut crease. So I'm just going to start off with the No Scrub shade, which is this lime green, and then Sweet Spot, which is the yellow, and then Sunkissed, which is the orange, and then I'm going to try to blend that into the Brick Road shade. So right now I am just patting down the color just to get the color payoff that I want on the cut crease. But then I'm just going to go ahead and switch my brush and then start to blend the colors together so it doesn't look too harsh. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Then going back in with those first 3 shades that we used, I'm just going to go ahead and run them on my bottom lash line. Then I just wanted something to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners, so I just went with one of the shades from the Daisy Marquez palette. Then I went ahead and did lashes off camera, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!